Hey guys, Josh with Vunetrix Engineering. Today we're going to review how to add a packet sniffer to your existing servers. So a packet sniffer can be added to any server that's on your network that's already being monitored in the Vunetrix dashboard. So I've logged into Vunetrix here. I have three servers, video server, I have a VM, and a Dell R210. I actually want to add the packet sniffer to the Dell R210. So I'm going to click on the Dell R210 here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click Add Sensor. And this will allow me to pick whatever sensor I want. So bandwidth monitoring is where I want to go. And I'm going to do packet sniffer content. It's going to prepare it. And then down here, I can add the actual network adapter. So these are the two IPs that it's on that particular adapter. So just you want to check which adapters you want. So if there's a Wi-Fi or multiple NICs, you check which ones that you want to look at the content of on those. So on this, I'm going to do detail. So you can either do detail yes. All detail means it's going to log more information on this particular packet sniffer that you're running. So I'm going to hit continue after I run detail on each type of information. So that's going to load it here, and there's a question mark as it starts running. Let me show you the one I already have built on my Dell R515 here. So I'm going to click on that one, the video server. It's going to load, and then I'm going to click packet sniffer. So let's just show you what it looks like. I can go live data and see the type of traffic that's coming across. So it's going to show total SMTP, which is mail traffic, www traffic, remote control, TCP. So it allows you to take a look at the type of traffic that's going across your subnetwork, whether that's cameras or an access control or a client network. You can really do some analyzing on it. So 30 days, 365 days. But the real magic happens here in the top lists. So this is where the analysis comes in. So on your packet sniffer, it's going to do the same thing. So 192.168.77.215 on source port 80 is talking to 192.168.77.201 on destination port 5494 with protocol TCP. So and it's taking up 73% of my overall bandwidth. That's the 77215 is a 5 megapixel MJPEG camera. So that makes sense that that's taking up the most amount of bandwidth for me right now. And you can scroll down the line and see what type of ports are being used, what protocol. You're not always necessarily going to be able to troubleshoot this, but you can give this to your manufacturer, your camera partner, your VMS partner, and really do some deep dive understanding of what's happening on your camera network and do some much better troubleshooting. And we can do things like top protocols. What protocols are being used? HTTP, UDP, and you're going to know best on what protocol should be being used on your particular network. A lot of cameras use port 80 for HTTP traffic, so that's why we're getting 81% of our traffic there. And then top talkers. Who's causing the most traffic on this particular subnetwork? So I can see that my server is and the IQI camera. So this is just a really good tool to be able to understand what's happening on a subnetwork, to gather all the IPs, and to make sure that everything is running properly. So I appreciate the time. Contact me at info@vunetrix.com for more information. Thanks, guys.